We are 5 guys plus 1. I'm the group leader, and my name is Jose Aquila. I'm the group leader, and this is my teammate.
I'm Talik Saad.
I'm Chahin.
I'm Rivera.
I'm Phillip Stein.
I'm Kenni Wake.
We are Glendale Community College Aviation Technology Division students. We are enrolled in Professor Artin Davidian Engineer 100 course during the fall 2018 session. We will demonstrate our final design project of the Stirling engine.
Okay, so the bottom of the syringe is laced with pencil lead to decrease friction.
At the top of the syringe, there is an aluminum mold to prevent any air from escaping.
As you can see, the steel wool inside is is the displacer within the syringe.
As hot air is stored and heated over here, both hot and cold air are cycled throughout this engine for it to work, and the displacer separates both the temperatures to create the cycle.
And we use this blowtorch because the glass takes more time to heat up.
Now we're going to turn on the engine. Now we're going to do the efficiency test. You can see it's slowing down. I'm going to put the fire back.